Good morning, madam. May I help you?
Just looking.
The Ferrari 488 Pista Spider. It is the most beautiful thing in this room.
Can I look inside?
Yes,
No, inside.
of course. Ferrari's most powerful V8 engine. Twin turbocharged 3.9 liter, over 700 horsepower.
Let's try it.
Yes.
Ready?
No, how to drive, huh?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing? This just came in. We haven't even calibrated it yet. Oh, sorry. Miss Kwong, I didn't see it was you.
How long would it take to adjust the timing?
2 days. Fine for you, just 1 hour.
Thank you.